everybody, I'm Kelly West, licensed medical esthetician in Beverly Hills, California, and I am so excited to introduce you to my new microdermabrasion machine. It's called MicrodermMD, and when I tell you guys that this is the closest I've come so far in mimicking my medical grade microdermabrasion machine, the one I use in my office, I'm not kidding. And it starts with this crushed diamond tip. So I'm going to do Marge's forehead area. I like to really address these, I call them the number 11s between the brows. Again, bracing that skin, keep it nice and taut. Do these upward motions and then side to side and into the outside movements on the forehead. So we just finished Marge's microdermabrasion treatment, and now she's going to show you how easy it is to change the filter, which you're going to want to do after every single treatment, and I'll show you why in just a second. Marge, go ahead and pull that off. There you go. Look at the filter. Tilt it that way. See all of that white dead skin? It's kind of gross, but it's kind of cool at the same time, right? Because that's what's coming off of your face, all of those dead skin cells, revealing the new, fresh, healthy skin cells. And just go ahead and pull it off. There you go. Now do you take the new filter, step it right back in place. That's simple. Put the tip on. That's it. Couldn't be easier. Now I'm going to show you one of my favorite features on my new microdermabrasion machine, the MicrodermMD, and that's this amazing pore cleansing tip. It's so easy to use, you guys. All you do is pull off the microderm, the diamond tip part, and then take your pore extractor tip, place it right on top. That simple. And then wherever your blackhead is, whether it's the chin, the corner of the nose, you're going to turn this strength up all the way. Hear the difference in the sound on the machine? So now I'm going to do a deep cleanse on Marge's chin, because this is where most of us get our blackheads. Doesn't that feel good, Marge? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Wait till you see how it looks. Another thing that makes MicrodermMD extra special is that it has different power levels. You can go from a level 1 to a level 4, really allowing you to cater your treatments to particular areas of the face or particular skin issues. And we outline all of that in our instructional book. As far as cleaning the machine, couldn't be easier. It has a disposable filter. You're going to want to change that after each use. And then it comes with a little cleansing brush. You can use this to clean it, or if you have an ultrasonic cleanser at home, that's a quick and easy way to clean it as well.